2shoes classroom app will change the way students are asking questions in large lecture halls by allowing them to do so anonymously, vote on content democratically, and do so through a simple and intuitive system. You see, we understand that simplicity is key in a student's crazy life, and our main feature is a lack of features. When a student goes to our site, they merely have to enter in a daily class code and they're in. No app to download, no account to create and sign into. 2shoes also offers more valuable feedback metrics on teachers so that school administrators can more effectively monitor the service they're giving to customers, while at the same time not cluttering the teacher's admin page with tons of functions. We create 2shoes because we value anonymity, not having to create a useless account, and having our voice heard. By being an end user ourselves, we know our user well and understand their needs and annoyances. Our goal is to find an alpha test site this fall and beta test at the University of Arizona during the spring semester. We're currently looking for support for that testing at administrative level as well as a developer and designer. We're Danny Kirk and Elliot Letty, and we're eager to change the educational system and help empower curiosity.
All right.
And we are as 2shoes. The problem that we found is that students find it difficult or uncomfortable to ask questions in class, as well as students' frustration to give feedback to the teachers that's actually listened to. So our solution is to provide students with an easy, anonymous way to ask questions, and as well give them a daily way to get teacher feedback.
So that brings us to our app. Our app is an anonymous live streaming question feed for students in large lecture halls with a vote download function. Our value proposition is that we can create more interaction between teachers and students. It's free for both of them to use. It's web-based, so there's no app to download, no account to create for the students. And also for the institutions, we can give them valuable feedback metrics on the service they're giving to customers. So why buy in? As I mentioned, more interaction, monitor teacher impact, quicker feedback loop. We can understand if the actual lessons are being learned before the end of the semester. And more of an efficient teacher vetting process for pre-tenured teachers. And as I said, it's free.
So here's the student view when they go to the website. Basically, all they have to do is type in the event code to get into their classroom. It's usually 3 to 5 characters. And this is what they see. They can type in a question and it's submitted in real time. And they can also view the questions of their peers. Also at the end of the class, the teacher can, or instructor can put out a feedback function where the student can rate the class that they just had. Also, 2shoes also can be used for somewhat of an advertising function, and we have our first company actually agreeing to do it, and that's E3. But from the moderator side, all they have to do is, of course, go to the site, enter their credentials, and create their own class module where the moderator will be able to see all the questions being submitted in real time and be able to select the best ones to share with the class. And they can also get the metrics from the feedback as well.
So rollout strategies to get into using some single-day classes this fall, and then get some semester-long classes in the spring. Target some mid-level teachers, and then move up to the department heads from there for department adoption. And then monetization, we plan to sell special features and the actual data that we're collecting to the teachers for $5 per class, $20 per semester, with some other features for entire university adoption. Some data we collected was from 58 people. Many people do not ask questions in class for numerous different reasons, whether they're comfortable or shy. And then also students find that when they give feedback to the teachers, it's only at the end of the semester, and that doesn't do that many good. So. One quote we got was teacher evaluation, not outside the class, would seem aggressive, so our anonymous feedback solves that. And we do have some verbal adoption from some teachers this spring. So here on the right, you can see this is the admin screen. On the left, we have a couple of screens that will be switching from the different students. It's updating, or it will be updating. And all screens are updating at the same time in real time. Asking for the questions. You can skip ahead a little bit. You'll see links do come through if you want to share valuable content you think other students might find useful, or if the teacher wants to share something that they want to really get out to everybody. The teacher was also able to delete a comment that had some bad words in it. And then there was a 5-star rating that the students gave